Imagine a world where a man is expected to put his body between a woman and a knife-wielding mugger, where crime, terrorism, civil unrest, and kidnapping remain risks, especially in certain rural and border regions. Female safety has long been associated with male sacrifice, while the true issue is often overlooked. While many view female safety as worthy of male sacrifice, it actually plays an important role in how men and women obligate themselves to each other. Female safety is important because 1. Security footage shared by the New York Post showed a woman fighting off a knife-wielding mugger in Colombia while her male companion stepped back and hid behind a wall. The man's actions led to significant internet criticism. 2. A 2017 news report from Fox 2 Detroit details a home invasion where a woman hid in a closet while her boyfriend fought off intruders. And 3. A 2018 news story from San Antonio reported a couple being attacked by the woman's ex-boyfriend, who was hiding in the closet. In this instance, the woman pulled her ex off the victim, cooperating with police afterward. This importance becomes clear when examining the importance of safety and sacrifice. One reason male sacrifice and female safety are important is many women find the role of being protected by men to be restrictive, associating it with control, dependence, and diminished capability, rather than genuine care. This aspect matters because modern women often value independence, self-sufficiency, and the ability to protect themselves, viewing it as essential for controlling their own lives, directly supporting the idea that only female sacrifice should be important to female safety. The main point can be better understood by looking at discussions highlighting that the traditional man as protector narrative is often seen as flawed, disregarding most men's well-being while favoring women, and creating harmful dynamics. This example helps demonstrate how male sacrifice for female safety can lead to disregarding men's well-being in a meaningful way. For example, experts note that people in a crisis react in different ways, including fight, flight, or freeze. The reaction is not always predictable based on gender or relationship dynamics, which shows how male sacrifice for female safety affects these reactions. Additionally, instances where a partner fails to intervene often result in strong online reactions and debates about loyalty, courage, and societal expectations. Together, these examples highlight the real-world impact of male sacrifice, female safety roles. These examples reveal that many women find the traditional role of being protected by men to be assuring, associating it with freedom, confidence, and integral capability, preferable with genuine care. By examining these examples more closely, it becomes clear that male sacrifice for female safety leads to fight or flight, reinforcing the main point. As a result, female safety strongly supports the thesis that male sacrifice is necessary. This connection emphasizes why male sacrifice is especially significant in a man being expected to put his body between a woman and a knife-wielding mugger in a crime-ridden country. While this point is important, it is only one part in understanding male sacrifice for female safety. Considering the broader implications further highlights why expecting men to sacrifice themselves for women's safety deserves attention. In conclusion, male sacrifice for female safety is important because these expectations disregard men's well-being. The body of this essay demonstrates how male sacrifice being important for female safety is supported by examples and explanation, reinforcing this argument. Ultimately, female sacrifice being necessary for female safety should be the expectation clearly signals the importance of this topic.